It is true na isang araw lang naman yung wedding, pero yung memories na bitbit nito, it will last for a lifetime. Isa sa mga right decision ko sa buhay at isa sa mga bagay na buti na lang hindi ko tinipid is my wedding. Alam mo nyo, nandito ako ulit sa location or sa place where I had my wedding, and until today, parang nagkakaroon ako ng tears of joy in nostalgia doon sa thinking about what happened 2 years ago to the very place where the special memory happened. And buti na lang, I would say, no, na hindi ko tinipid yung kasal ko. Buti na lang I poured in budget to that special moment. Hindi totoo yung sinasabi ng iba na wag mo nang gastusan yung kasal mo. Event lang naman yan, matatapos lang naman yan is after 1 day. While may point naman talaga yon, iba pa rin yung feeling at pakiramdam na maalala mo yung memory for the rest of your life of what happened in your special day. So, while it is true na isang araw lang naman yung wedding, pero yung memories na bitbit nito, it will last for a lifetime. Kaya masasabi kong buti na lang, hindi ko tinipid ito. At tip ko sa'yo, special as that may be, wag mo nang tipirin. This is Migs Flores, inspiring possibility sa iyong buhay.